Service by jersey number 4, Lamay. Service error. Service by jersey number 4, Bea. Tapina now one jersey number 23, Blaze. Outside. Next game, finals. Barangay 189. This ball. Timeout. 187 Gold Tigers.
Jerry in the safe for a ride with pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title. A lot of people trying to take us viral. I was trying to have a nice night. The way the brother changed for the man. She said, man, I think it was the title. Nah, girl, I got it last night, though. I can show you things and that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me give you images and last. It's had a limit in the past. I have many.
Service by jersey number 27, foul. But there's a violation. Puntos para sa team. Janelle.
Tagal mag-service.
Now for the jersey number 23 to jersey number 10, not over. Service by jersey number 27, Powell. Now for the jersey number 3, set by Nodora to Ace. Now Peter. Grabe may future na ba? Jersey number 21, 9-6, 3-point lead para sa Team Chunela. Service by jersey number 26. Received by Bea, set by Nodora. Nakakuha ni jersey number 5 to Deleon. Jersey number 5 to jersey number 21 to jersey number 5. Nakakuha ni Bea, jersey number 3 to Domingo. Received by Deleon. Deleon once again. Received by jersey number 3 to Ace. No good. Nakakuha ni jersey number 3 to Echo. Wala, drop ball. Wala pa rin nakakuha ni Deleon. Jersey number 7. Official score 10-6. Service by jersey number 26. Now quarter jersey number 23 to Domingo. Jersey number 5. Service by jersey number 26. Jersey number 23 to Ace. Service by jersey number 21. Set by Nolora Nakura. Focus para sa Team Jonella. Official score 13-7. Service. Nakuha din. Outside from jersey number 3. Puntos nabuhula sa Team Jonella with 7-point lead. Service by jersey number 21. Received by Domingo, jersey number 3 to Gea. Nakakuha ni jersey number 27, set by 5 to Leon. Not over. Service by jersey number 14. Nakakuha ni De Leon. Tulamayo, chance ball para sa 187. Set by Nolora. Ito na si Bea. Tutos para sa 187. On Tigers.
Next week,
Official score 14-9.
championship.
Tutos para jersey number 14. Timeout. Team.
Apat lang, kaya yan.
Singing on the backstage pass, all access with your mask. Nigga throwing everything that ass. Jump to the shop, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, 'cause I don't know who's out there watching. They come, they go. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I know you one day. Baby, what's Sunday? My drunk ass on that runway.
Service by jersey number 14. Outside. Jersey number 14. Balik sa lima ang kalamangan ng Team Jonella. Service by jersey number 7. Del Leon. Nakuha ni Arwin. Set by Nolora to Bea. Nolora to jersey number 3 to Bea once again. So good. Now on jersey number 5 to Power. Received by Adrian. Anim na po ang kalamangan ng Team Nakakuha ni jersey number 4. Jersey number 3. Kapila na ako ni jersey number 10. Set by Nolora to jersey number 3. Outside. Binabati ko nga pala yung mga ano dyan, oh. Order, oh. Binabati ko nga pala si Sampa Sandala at saka si Alex Caruso. Sampa Desan. Jersey number 4, set by Manora to Kaya. Wow! Inata-drops yung Manora.
Kaya yan, Kurt. Kaya yan. Kaya yan, Kurt.
Jersey number 3. Oh no, service by jersey number 5. Set by Jonai to Power. Jersey number 27. Power.
O, Kurt.
Service by jersey number 5. Barangay 187 Gold Diggers. Score 9-12 in favor of Team Jonella. Service by jersey number 5. Now point jersey number 14. Kubea. Another point para sa Team Jonella. Walo na po ang inahabol ng 187 Gold Diggers. Service by jersey number 5. Service error. Service
O,
error.
diba bagwak ata nga? Bagwak,
Service by jersey number 4, Lamayo. Nakuha ni Lora to Angel. Nakuha ni Lamayo. Puntos para sa 187.
Go, Bentong. Bentong, kapitay Bentong.
Service by jersey number 4, Bea. Nakuha ni Powell. Chance ball para sa 187. Lora to not over. Official score 22-14. Service by jersey number 27. Received by jersey number 3 to Angel. To Domingo. Nakuha ni jersey number 5 to De Leon. Put off by jersey number 7. Warning. Warning 14. service by jersey number 27. Service is set para sa Team Jonella. Service by jersey number 27, Paula Guaribea. Tinatake ni